Well, mower season hasn't got there yet, but I already got some mowers that are coming my way, and somebody brought them to me. So, if you guys are interested, stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys what I picked up. Hey everyone, how's it going? It is John, and my friends call me Turning Wrenches 85 here. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a good one so far. I acquired some mowers, like I need anymore, but from my landlord. He bought another property in the neighborhood, and he called me up one day and said, "Hey, I picked up a couple of lawnmowers on a property I bought. We're fixing up, and I'm gonna bring them to you and see if you can do any use for them." So, if you guys already saw by the thumbnail, you guys already saw already, but I'll show you guys right now what I acquired. And so here they are. Your basic push mowers. This one right here on my right, or your right, it is the MTD 20-inch 300E 125cc engine. Usually it's about 3.5 horsepower there. You know, they make the Bowen's one in that model as well. That'll be a later video. I have another one like this that's green. As far as I can tell, hasn't been used in quite a while. I have parked it, and I kind of noticed some stuff leaking out of it. I don't know if it's gas. What year is this thing? 2013. Okay, so we're pushing on almost about 10 years now on this one. So I'm almost about a 10-year-old mower. The cables work on it. That's a bonus there. Let's see what we got for a filter. If it's got a filter, it's got one. It needs to be cleaned out. But it's got a filter on that one. This one here. Let's check the oil if we can. It's loose. Okay. Let's check the oil real quick on this one before we try to start it up and see if it's worth fixing. I mean, it's not going to be a fix on this video. I'm just showing you guys what I acquire. We got some oil. Might have to wipe it off to double check it. Looks like we got oil. I'll double check it here. Like I said, I'm just showing you guys right now what's going on. I'll tighten that back up. He thought the pull cord was stuck, my landlord, when he brought him to me. All it was the cable was not on it, so it pulls. No issue there. And of course, the famous front end on these things, they bow out. So I'm going to have to straighten that out to make it look a little bit more presentable. See if we got any fuel in the tank. Unfortunately, we got fuel in the tank. Yep. I don't know if it's any good fuel. Well, we got fuel. Okay, we got that one. And then, of course, you know, this one right here, that's the other one that came with it. And of course, it's got my favorite engine on there too, the classic flathead engines here. This one's 158cc, 21-inch deck, push mower, bag, or mulch, which came with the bag. That's a bonus right there. Still got the sticker on it. Muffler don't look in bad shape. These things are usually, you know, broken off of there. That's still good. Like I said, by the cobwebs, has been used in a good minute. I cut the grass low, as I can tell by the way it's sitting. Let's see, is there a year on this thing? Let's see real quick. Hey. There is one, I can't see it. 09. 09 2/14/09. So February 14th, no 13th, February 13th, 2009. So this is about the same year my son was born. So it's 14. My son will be 14 this year in April of 2023. So this is about almost about 14-year-old mower here. It's got the easy setup gas tank there as well. We got any fuel in here? There's something in there. Doesn't smell the greatest. Let's see what we got for, as Bruce Shop would say, lubrication for the nation. Let's see what we got going on here. We got any oil? It's dirty, but we got oil. Not the cleanest, but we got oil. It's in the safe mark. I'll wipe it again to make sure. There. I didn't check underneath this one. Let's check this one real quick. See what's underneath there. Ooh, I'm gonna have to fix that. That's an issue. As you can see, there's a lot of spider eggs and all that stuff underneath there. I didn't see that part. That's gonna be fun. Maybe that won't be a big issue, I hope. There. What we got underneath here real quick. Let's check. They actually don't look too bad. I believe looks like it's salvageable to sharpen, so we'll do that. Wheels kind of wobble on this one, typical for them plastics. But let me get you guys on the tripod. We'll just spray some carb in the throat of the carburetors there and see if they fire up, or we'll just try to pull them over first. So let me get you guys set up there, and we'll be right back. All right, first one on the docket. We'll try this one right here. I didn't bring my clamp with me, so I'm gonna have to do this by hand. See how good it pulls over. So we got good compressor on. Let's see if it'll start on its own. Okay, fire in the hole. You know, it almost tried to fire up. No way. I was going to spray some stuff in the carburetor throat. That works, I'm not arguing, shoot. Okay, we'll go with that. Well, all I gotta do is clean this one up. Ain't gonna make much of a video now. Alright. I'll park this one to the side. It does need a service though. Alright, next one on the docket. Let me just double check the oil on this one real quick. Wow. I was not expecting that. I had the carb spray right here on the bed of my truck, ready to use. It's a little bit of an incline. Okay, so this is where we're at on the oil. So it's right there, so we're still safe. We can run it for a few minutes. Wonder if this will run. Wouldn't it be crazy if I just pick these up? I don't have to. All I gotta do is just clean them up. That's crazy. It's not doing anything. Let me see if it does anything. Does it pull over good? Nope, I got this. Probably too low. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm pushing it forward. There's some fuel in there, so I've just tilted it forward to get that. Dum da dum dum. Dum da dum dum. Oh, okay. It doesn't like that. You guys still watching? Okay. Can you guys see? Yeah, you guys can see. Okay. Have to be technical about it. Let me take this off. Air cleaner don't look too bad. Alright, let's give it some go-go juice. Ooh, that spring's kind of funky. Okay. That was too much. That didn't sound good, did it? But it blew a lot of blue smoke out. Let's try this again. Way too much. Way too much again. Okay, so that one runs on its own gas. That's crazy. This one we're going to do some work on. So I guess that one, that's going to be wild. I was expecting to do a video on that one. I still probably will. Might still go over it, I don't know. But yeah, that's crazy. That one runs. And this one doesn't. So, yeah. Yeah, we'll try to figure this out somehow. Let me go ahead and put this thing back together real quick, and then we'll try. I'll bring you guys back when I put this together, and you guys, we'll start talking here. Alright, well, that was a quick little diagnostic video. All I was going to do was just start them up, and then I was going to, next video, I was going to be on one of these to work on. It looks like I'm going to be working on this one first, because this one started up on its own without me doing anything. I was going to spray I had some carb spray, I was going to spray in the throat, and it's running on its own gas that's in there. That's crazy. I mean, it does need to be cleaned up. It's got oil and stuff on it. Probably still gotta go. I'm gonna probably go through the carburetor anyway. If you guys want to watch the video on that, let me know in the comments section. If you guys want me to do a video, I know there's plenty of these out here, and there's plenty of videos out there. If you guys are interested, just let me know, and I'll do one. I'll probably do. I know I'm gonna do one on this one, because we're going to have to go through the carburetor, unfortunately, because even though there is some fuel in the tank, I tried to tilt it forward to get into that nozzle to try to spray it up through the primer bulb, and even though it did squirt in there, it still didn't work. And of course it needs some TLC as well. So my landlord knows I work on this stuff, on the side, and then, you know, I thank him for giving these to me. Yeah, some extra projects, some extra cash. Be good this year. So yeah, I'll have 2 lawnmowers. I'll get. They're gonna be easy fixes. Well, this one is at least. This one I have to do. So we'll do a video on that. So yeah, I'm stoked. I'm happy, and especially this one. It's got the bag, so that's a bonus right there. If it didn't have the bag, it'd be hard to sell because people are going to be wanting one with a bag. Probably somebody's going to want one that blows out the grass. Somebody might want one like this one, and they want one with the bag. And so I got a bag with it, and I don't have to worry about that, and I'll add some more value to it because it has a bag. And of course, it's the classic engine, so I like that. And then of course, this one's the newer bricked engine. So yeah, I'm stoked. I'm happy. Thank you guys for watching this. I appreciate it, as always. Thank you guys for your support, as always. It goes a long way. Yeah, hopefully 2023 will be a better year. And so far, mower-wise, it's looking good. Next video is going to be working on these, and then I'm going to show you the other ones that I got from my friend, my old high school friend. She found me some mowers back in the early November, December, I think it was around that length. There's 3 mowers there that I got, and I'll give you a hint. It looks exactly like that one except for it's green. I'll just tell you that. And then the other one, they're going to be easy fixes on those as well. So, but I'll bring those to you guys. You guys can see those as well. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it as always. Keep on turning those wrenches, y'all. I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all take care now.